once? Watched by the entire country. A breeding ground for future champions. In Jamaica, sprinting isn't just sport. It's culture. It's identity. It's pride. Young athletes train not for money, but for national glory. And soon, the world would feel the impact. Then came the moment that changed everything. 2008 Beijing Olympics. A tall, relaxed sprinter stepped onto the track. His name? Usain Bolt. What happened next shocked the world. 100-meter gold, 200-meter gold, world records. And he made it look easy. Suddenly, the USA was no longer untouchable. Jamaica was no longer the underdog. But Bolt wasn't alone. Jamaica had Yohan Blake, the Beast. Asafa Powell, former world record holder. And on the women's side, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Elaine Thompson-Herah. Jamaica wasn't just winning. They were dominating. The USA wasn't going to give up their crown easily. Athletes like Justin Gatlin, Tyson Gay, fought hard to reclaim dominance. One of the most shocking moments came at Backhand Index Pointing Right 2017 World Championships, where Justin Gatlin defeated Usain Bolt in Bolt's final race. The world was stunned. Was this the moment the USA took control? Not quite, because Jamaica's system kept producing talent. Today, the rivalry is still alive. For the USA, Noah Lyles, Fred Curley. For Jamaica, rising stars continuing the legacy. The battles are tighter now. The dominance is no longer one-sided. Every race, it is unpredictable. So how did a small country outperform a superpower? Here's the secret. 1. Culture. In Jamaica, sprinting is everything. 2. School system. Champs creates elite athletes early. 3. Natural talent plus coaching. World-class coaches with deep sprint knowledge. 4. Confidence. Jamaican athletes don't fear the USA. They expect to win. The rivalry between Jamaica and the USA is more than sport. It's a battle of power versus passion, system versus culture, legacy versus revolution. From Carl Lewis to Usain Bolt, from dominance to disruption. This rivalry changed athletics forever. And the truth is, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, who do you think is faster? Jamaica or the USA?